Adrian Steele. I'm the Managing Director of Mercian Labels. We're a 50-person manufacturing business based in Burntwood in Staffordshire, and we make custom printed self-adhesive labels. We're celebrating our 50th anniversary, and our team of 50 people are fully committed towards our vision of becoming a world-class manufacturer of labels. Mercian Labels has changed enormously in recent years. We used to be known as a fast turnaround digital operation, but in the past 5 years the business has moved into much bigger markets. We have strengths now in variable data, in e-cigarettes, in peel and reveal labelling, in tamper evident labelling, and our medical irradiation product Gammatex, which is exported worldwide. Mercian Labels prides itself on our USP of speed and service. People buy from people, and that is why a lot of our customers keep with us and keep on buying year on year. We are very proud of the service we offer and the manufacturing skills that go behind that. What we do is incredibly difficult. We deal in very short lead times, very complicated products, a very demanding workplace, to very high quality standards. It's got to be right, it's got to be accurate, and that's why our customers come back and they trust Mercian Labels. But as we pass our 50th anniversary this year, we are very much focused on growth. Focused on that growth towards £10 million of turnover from this single site in Burntwood, expanding into the markets that we are known as being specialists in. Manufacturing self-adhesive labels is our core strength. We operate in flexible packaging and other markets too, but at the end of the day, we want to become world-class in manufacturing self-adhesive labels, and that's where we're investing. Investing in people, investing in infrastructure, in systems, in technology. Thank you very much for taking the time to join us here today. As Managing Director of Mercian Labels, it gives me enormous pleasure to welcome you to our factory here in Burntwood. Joining the Mercian Labels team here today are guests with many different connections to the business. There are family and friends of our employees, professional advisors, customers, key suppliers, dignitaries and representatives from our local community. Welcome to you all. It is a particular pleasure to welcome Lord Stafford to join us at these celebrations. This year we've reached our 50th anniversary, a feat that very few businesses achieve. Mercian Labels started trading before man first walked on the moon. Over the past 5 decades, we've occupied 5 different factories, employed hundreds of people, serviced thousands of business customers. We've produced well over 10 billion labels in that time, which if laid end to end would reach Mars and back twice. The business enjoys an international reputation as award-winning experts in manufacturing self-adhesive labels. Our labels are trusted to identify products in critical applications as diverse as blood samples, torpedo security seals, cash in transit bags, tax stamps, pharmaceuticals and hazardous chemicals. Shipping 80 different products a day, all in very short lead times of complex constructions and designs, ours is an exceptionally challenging marketplace and one in which only the very best can succeed. Just 1% of UK companies make it to their 50th anniversary, as such a milestone requires continual determination, skill and commitment from its team. My colleagues are justifiably immensely proud of the operation you will see here today. Our vision at Mercian is to become a world-class manufacturer of labels, and this standard means an awful lot to us. Being world class means we invest heavily in technology, systems and infrastructure. But it's the people that make the business. And as you tour the factory after lunch, you will experience firsthand the calibre and commitment of our people. Many of you have been on this journey with us for a long time. Today we welcome Tony and Lee from Tynatel Electronics, who have been loyal customers of Mercian for over 20 years. Simon Bates from his team at NFU have insured us for over 20 years. Alison Witten, as our longest serving employee, celebrates her 25th year with us next month. And together, the team of 50 people have over 287 years service with this business. You see, it's the people that make a business successful. And I want to take this opportunity to publicly thank you all for the support that you've given Mercian Labels to make it the success that it is today. Friends, family, colleagues, advisors, suppliers and representatives from the local community from which we recruit, your efforts are very much appreciated. On behalf of all of the team at Mercian Labels, thank you. Our trading performance is strong, and there is no doubt that in 2019 we will again smash a previous year's record and go through the £5 million barrier. As we look to the future, we see continual growth, change and improvements ahead of us. The future is exciting and challenging, and that's how we like it at Mercian Labels. Ladies and gentlemen, before we break for lunch, it's both a privilege and a pleasure to hand over to Lord Stafford.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a real pleasure for me to be here for two reasons. The first is that Hugo, I had no idea what he did. And there are a number of friends, I'm sure, who they say you've known for years, and they say, well, we do this and we do that and do that. I had no idea, having had a tour around here, what Hugo does, and so I have been extremely impressed. I'm also delighted because I just love coming to companies like this. You come through the back, you don't know where it is, I had no idea what you did. And to see the technology and the work that has gone into this, to see these chaps in there, goodness gracious me. I mean, it is really, really fascinating. I will never, ever again look at a label without knowing and realising where it comes from. As for a family business, my family business, that's 900 years old. We have lost a number of heads in the process of getting there. But to actually hear that only 1% of companies reach 50 years, that is a huge achievement. And I call this a family company because it really is a family company, everybody here, and how it works. So it is really a great, great privilege for me to know what Hugo does, to see what you all do, and to have this honour of celebrating your 50th anniversary. And if I can pull the right button, I have in the past pulled these things off. It gives me great pleasure to now open this and to say, well done.
Welcome to the Mercian Sales Office. I'm Emma and this is where the journey begins. It's where our existing and new customers either call in by phone or email and the orders are then placed. At first point of contact for the customer, my role is then to direct them to the relevant support advisor. It is often useful to send out sample packs to the customers to give them a better idea of materials and finishes that we use. We are a very close-knit and established team. Some may say it's even a family atmosphere, which can only help the customer feel more confident when dealing with the company.
My name's Guy, I work in the studio, and this is one of our typical jobs that we process through it. We do many SKUs through the help of our automated workflow, which is always ongoing in a development state. We never stay still. I love it here because of those reasons. We get lots of support from our managers and the door's always open, as you say, and it's a great family atmosphere to work. I love it.
My name is Dave Wilkinson. I work in the production department here at Mercian Labels. As you can see, I operate a label finishing machine. This machine actually cuts the labels, but I can also apply surface finishes like matte varnish or gloss laminate. I enjoy working for Mercian Labels. There's a great team spirit. I feel very valued as an employee, and having worked at many companies, I appreciate the benefits of Mercian Labels.
My name is Tim, and I'm the production manager here at Mercian Labels, and it's my job to ensure I have all the people, the machines and the materials in the right place at the right time to ensure the smooth running of what is a fast-paced production environment. I believe our success is down to us all working together as a team alongside the other departments within the company, and it's a privilege to be working for an organisation celebrating such an important anniversary, and I'm looking forward to the future.